When it comes to safeguarding your home or business in Gaithersburg, few measures are as effective as installing impact windows. Known for their resilience and durability, impact windows provide superior protection against the unpredictable and often severe weather conditions that can affect this region. Whether it's torrential rain, high winds, or even the potential for hurricanes, impact windows offer peace of mind knowing that your property is better equipped to withstand nature's challenges. What are impact windows? Impact windows are specially designed windows made with a combination of thick, laminated glass and reinforced frames. This construction makes them significantly stronger than standard windows, enabling them to resist damage from high-impact forces such as debris, strong winds, and even flying projectiles. In addition to offering storm protection, they also provide soundproofing, UV protection, and energy efficiency. Why impact windows are essential in Gaithersburg? Gaithersburg, located in Montgomery County, Maryland, experiences a variety of weather conditions that can sometimes be severe. While the region isn't as prone to hurricanes as the southeastern U.S., it still faces its fair share of storms, high winds, and heavy rainfall, particularly during the spring and fall months. With the rise of unpredictable weather patterns, ensuring your home or business is protected from these elements has never been more critical. Protection against hurricanes and high winds. While Gaithersburg is not directly on the coast, the area can still be affected by the remnants of hurricanes. These storms can bring heavy rains, flooding, and, most importantly, intense wind speeds capable of causing significant damage. Impact windows are designed to withstand wind speeds of up to 200 miles per hour, making them an invaluable asset when protecting your home or business from the destructive forces of a storm. Protection from debris and flying objects. One of the most dangerous elements during severe weather is flying debris. In a hurricane or high wind situation, tree branches, rocks, and other debris can be hurled through the air, posing a serious risk to both property and personal safety. Traditional windows can easily shatter when struck by debris, leaving your home vulnerable to water damage and further harm. Impact windows, however, are designed to resist these impacts, preventing breakage and helping to maintain the integrity of your property. Reduced risk of water damage. When windows break, they create an entry point for water. Heavy rains can flood your home or business, causing extensive water damage to floors, furniture, and personal belongings. Impact windows help mitigate this risk by remaining intact during a storm, thus preventing rainwater from entering and flooding your space. This feature is particularly important in areas like Gaithersburg, where intense storms can bring large amounts of rain in short periods. Energy efficiency and UV protection. In addition to offering protection against harsh weather, impact windows also come with energy-efficient features. The laminated glass in impact windows acts as an insulator, helping to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home. This can result in lower energy bills throughout the year as your heating and cooling systems work more efficiently. Additionally, impact windows block harmful UV rays from the sun, protecting your furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading. Over time, UV rays can cause significant damage to the interior of your home, but impact windows help extend the lifespan of your belongings while maintaining a pleasant living environment. The benefits of impact windows for homeowners and business owners. Installing impact windows is not just about protecting your property during extreme weather events, it's also about long-term benefits. For homeowners, impact windows add an extra layer of security, as they are more difficult to break into than standard windows. For businesses, they provide an opportunity to safeguard valuable inventory and sensitive equipment from damage, ensuring minimal disruption during storms. Additionally, many insurance companies offer discounts for homes and businesses that are equipped with impact windows. These windows significantly reduce the risk of storm damage, which can lead to lower premiums over time. Conclusion. In Gaithersburg, where severe weather can strike unexpectedly, investing in impact windows is a smart decision for both residential and commercial properties. Not only do they provide unparalleled protection against harsh weather conditions, but they also offer energy efficiency, security, and long-term savings. By choosing impact windows, you're taking proactive steps to safeguard your property and your loved ones, ensuring that you're ready for whatever nature may throw your way.